Hi, my name is Ashley, and today we're going to do number 9. First, you see you have a polynomial, and you see that it has a negative sign at the front, meaning that it has a negative slope, and the function is decreasing. It asks for how many seconds it takes the object to hit the ground, meaning that the height, also known as f of t, is going to equal 0. So what you do is you set the equation equal to 0 to figure out when it hits the ground. And then you have to factor. And first you can take a negative 5 out to make the factoring easier. Now you have to factor and find two numbers that multiply to equal negative 12 and add up to equal negative 4. And those two numbers are positive 6 and negative 2. Okay, now actually it needs to be negative 6 and positive 2 because the numbers have to add up to negative 4 rather than positive 4. So then, while making sure you keep the negative 5 remaining, you multiply that by your two factors, t minus 6 and t plus 2, to equal 0. And now you solve for t. You can divide both sides by negative 5 to cancel out the t, to leave the t alone. And now you want the equation to equal 0. So your t's one of the parentheses needs to equal 0. So you split it up. T minus 6 equals 0. And t plus 2 equals 0. You solve for t, and you get t equals 6, and t equals negative 2. Now, there's only one answer to the problem, but we have two t's. Since this is an application problem, and it asks for how many seconds for t, the answer has to be t equals 6 because you cannot have a negative amount of seconds.